Hello and good morning friends. Welcome to our channel. Before we start this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for daily current affair and GK updates. So today is 1 November and we are discuss all current affairs of 1 November which are very important for your exams. Our first question for today is which state chief minister launched Dharni portal? Right answer is Telangana. Telangana state chief minister launched Dharni portal. Here is the Telangana state in India's map. Capital of Telangana is Hyderabad and K. Chandrasekhar Rao was the chief minister of Telangana. Our next question is which state has decided to test corona for RS600? Right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh state has decided to test corona for RS600. Here is the Uttar Pradesh state in India's map. Capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow and Yogi Adityanath was the CM of Uttar Pradesh. Our third question is China is establishing the world's highest altitude cloud computing data center in its which region? Right answer is Tibet. China is establishing the world's highest altitude cloud computing data center in Tibet region. Our question number 4 is which Indian Institute of Technology has tied up with the Archaeological Survey of India? Right answer is IIT Kanpur. IIT Kanpur has tied up with the Archaeological Survey of India. Our fifth question is which country became the second country to put a lockdown for the second time? Right answer is France. France became the second country to put a lockdown for the second time. Here is the France country in world's map. Capital of France is Paris. Jean Castex was the Prime Minister of France and the euro is the currency of France. Our next question is who has been suspended from the post of Vice Chancellor of Delhi University? Right answer is Professor Yogesh Tyagi. Professor Yogesh Tyagi has been suspended from the post of Vice Chancellor of Delhi University. Question number 7 is scientists of which country discovered eye drops to become the problem of blindness in the newborn? Right answer is Britain. Britain scientists have discovered eye drop to become the problem of blindness in the newborn. Here is the Britain country in the world map. Capital of Britain is London. Boris Johnson was the Prime Minister of Britain and the pound is the currency of Britain. Our next question for today is when was World Saving Day is celebrated? Right answer is 30 October. In 30 October, World Saving Day is celebrated in worldwide. Our second last question for today is who became the 115th Associated Justice of US Supreme Court? Right answer is Amy Coney Barrett. Amy Coney Barrett was the 115th Associated Justice of the US Supreme Court. Our last question for today is which company is tied up with NSDC to provide disturbing questions to 1 lakh women in India? Right answer is Microsoft. Microsoft company tied up with NSDC to provide disturbing questions to 1 lakh women in India.